sometimes we don't take time to learn what we have or even appreciate what we have. For instance, look at this. This is a jackfruit. I never planted it. It is can I say self-made? Yes. No jackfruit. Yekuza yoka. So all you have to do is come check. Is it ready? None of them is ready. Oh, this is ready. Wow, this is ready. Very ready. Okay. Let's do this. Oh my God. Oh yeah, some cultures say women cannot climb. In my culture, we climb trees. We look after cows. That's who we are. This is I'm ready. Oh my God. In case I die, please don't steal my PIN number. Ah! My God, it's damn hard. This is how we do it. Ah. I don't want it to get spoiled. It's too ripe. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's damn heavy. Ow! Oh my God! Oh wow! Now this is my beautiful harvest. I got it. Yes. Now this is what I call a jackfruit. Did you know that actually some people use this for medicine? I'm not one of them though. This is how you cut your jackfruit. You know, and all you have to do is enjoy. But now I have to look for, as a farmer, there are certain things you do. Nga nawe kwenyine tomanyi nti bwekityo bwe kyalina okubeera. Okay, you remove this. We actually never train our children to do this. So if you're out there, you can watch this clip with your child. You teach them how to cut a jackfruit, how to cut fene. Or if you're buying a jackfruit, in Kampala, they can tell you something like this. This is all we do. We don't need water. We don't need gloves. And here is the final product. This is the typical African, Ugandan jackfruit. Do other countries have jackfruits by them? Oh my God.